Want to know how I make $300 a day online with no experience? This simple copy and paste method works anywhere in the USA, and I will show you exactly how to start today. Go to freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Businesses across the USA constantly need help formatting documents, posting content, or transferring text. These are simple tasks anyone can do. Here's the trick. You copy text from one source, product descriptions, blog drafts, social media captions, and paste it into the required format. Each task pays $10 and $50. Doing multiple tasks daily adds up to $300 fast. Focus on repeat clients. Once they see you deliver quickly, they will keep sending you work. That's how you turn this side hustle into steady daily income. No writing, no design, just copy and paste. So if you are in the USA and want a beginner-friendly way to make money online, this is it. Start today, stay consistent, and hit those $300 days. Subscribe for more USA income hacks.